Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. So today I'm taking a big risk. First, I'm so excited because this fragrance smells amazing. I think for myself, this is maybe the best fragrance I've ever smelled. It's called Mahogany Teakwood from Crafter's Choice. Now in the fragrance description, it says severe acceleration and severe rising. So that's why I'm kind of stressed a little bit to see how we can work about this. Now the design that I'm thinking of is just 3 layers and 1 piping. Now for the piping, I might leave a little bit of fragrance and I might not, depending how it behaves in the first layer when I mix it. The 3 layers will be colored with gold and then the brick color and the brown color. So for the micas, I'm using the mocha from Nurture Soap, that's the brown one. And then the brick dust from Nurture Soap, that's the brick color. And the gold one would be Crafter's Choice Shimmering Like Gold Mica Powder. That's gonna be on the piping and one of the layers here. We have the lye water separate. We have the fragrance measured for the whole project. And let's get started. I'll be stick blending, pouring the layer, stick blending the other one with the lye, pouring the next layer, and etc. until we reach the end. So I think I will start with the brown layer on the bottom. Let's move everything else. And because it has severe rising, the fragrance, so it's better to always stick blend it inside the oils, so that when the lye comes in, the fragrance would be already kind of mixed up. So let's see, I'm not gonna talk much. It's all gonna show how it will turn out when we Honestly, it's not as expected. So if you can see I don't see any rising. I can sense the acceleration, but I wouldn't say it's severe, but I will pour it anyways to not keep talking and then suddenly get a surprise. So this is the first layer. Since it behaved this way, I'm thinking maybe I can texture the layer with a spoon. So it will be textured layers. Having said that, now I can comfortably add the fragrance into each of them, but I will keep the least for the piping, I would say. And that's it. So I will go ahead and texture the layer since it's thick, hoping to have a nice design, and that's it enough. Off to the next one, which is the golden layer. And this is the top. If you notice, I'm not sure if it shows, but there are some rising that I can sense on the batter, but this is okay. Like after the saponification is done, it will be fine. So I mix some of the mocha brown mica with rubbing alcohol, and then I'm drizzling the top just to give it some contrast on the gold. I think it looks nice, and looking forward to cutting it tomorrow. Hopefully the inside looks nice, and I'll see you again. Bye. Hello again. So this is the next day. We're cutting the soap, and let's see how it looks like. Remember those textured layers? So that's how it looks like from the inside. I like the colors. Mostly I like the smell of this one. I think that's my new favorite. And that's it. I'll keep putting those bars. Until next week, I'll see you again with another soap making video. Take care of yourself, stay safe, and be positive. Bye for now.